DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool. It helps us understand the world. It uses artificial intelligence. This means it learns from data. DeepSeek AI is important for many reasons. It can find patterns we might miss. This helps us make better decisions. For example, scientists can use it to study climate change. DeepSeek AI is also easy to use. You don't need to be a computer expert. This makes it accessible to everyone. Anyone can benefit from its insights. DeepSeek AI has many amazing features. One key feature is its ability to learn. It uses algorithms to improve itself over time. This makes it very accurate. Another important feature is its speed. DeepSeek AI can process huge amounts of data. It does this much faster than humans. This saves valuable time and resources. DeepSeek AI is also very versatile. It can be used for a wide range of tasks. These include image recognition and natural language processing. This makes it a powerful tool for many industries. DeepSeek AI has many practical uses. In healthcare, it can help diagnose diseases. It does this by analyzing medical images. This helps doctors provide better treatment. In business, DeepSeek AI can improve customer service. It can be used to power chatbots. These chatbots can answer questions and resolve issues. DeepSeek AI can also help us protect the environment. It can track deforestation patterns. This information helps conservation efforts. Getting started with DeepSeek AI is easy. First, visit the DeepSeek AI website. Create an account to access the platform. Next, explore the available tools and resources. DeepSeek AI offers tutorials and documentation. These will help you get familiar with the platform. Finally, start experimenting. Try using DeepSeek AI on your own data. You'll quickly see the power of AI. You can even connect with the DeepSeek AI community for support.